Explain Everything is a screencasting app for iPad. Basically, it lets you make a movie of what you would normally write on your whiteboard or your smartboard. This movie can then be shared with students in a variety of different ways. Here on the home page of Explain Everything, you can see thumbnails of the projects you already have, and you can set the preferences of the projects you're going to make. Here are some import preferences, how you want your projects to work when you import things from PowerPoint or PDF or Keynote. And down here you can link together your Explain Everything app with various online places where you can send them or get them later. So Dropbox, Evernote, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Let's get started making a new project. You can choose a blank project, or you can import files from different places. You can import PowerPoint, PDFs, or Keynote files to start a new project. For this project, I imported a bunch of photos that were screenshots I took of the Explain Everything app, and those are from my camera roll because they're screenshots. When you first open your Explain Everything project, you'll see a blank canvas with two toolbars. One toolbar on the left and one across the bottom. On the left, these are tools that help you make and edit your presentation. At the bottom, these are tools that navigate you through the presentation, control the recording, and export your project. The first tool we'll look at is the cursor tool up here. With the cursor tool, you can touch and move any objects that you have on the canvas. The next tool is Add a Slide. That'll add a new slide just like with PowerPoint. The next tool down is the Slide Sorter tool. You'll see a little window open up that shows all of your slides here. It shows how long the recording is on each one, and if you touch the slide and hold it, you'll get a little delete X if you want to get rid of it, and you can also hold the slide down and move them around and change the order like you can in PowerPoint. The next tool is the Drawing tool. If you tap it quickly, you can draw in whatever color it's currently set at. To change the settings, hold down and it will open up this menu. You can choose the color, the thickness of the line, the transparency, and the pen tip. The next tool is the laser pointer. This can help bring the viewer's attention to certain areas of your canvas. To choose the pointer style, just tap and hold the button and you'll get this menu that will let you choose from any of these. The next tool is the Shapes and Lines tool. You can choose what shape you want, its color, and its border color. Then just touch the canvas and drag to make the shape. Next is the Text tool. Tap and hold to get this menu of options: size, font, color, and text border. Then tap the screen to get a text box you can type in. The next tool is the Insert Image tool. Tap and hold to get this menu of places you can choose your image from. I'm going to choose an image from my iPad's photo roll. And now it's in my canvas. I can rotate it and resize it by using two fingers. The next tool is the Delete tool. You touch it and then touch the element that you want to delete. Then you get this red X on the element. Touch the red X and you'll delete the element. And it's gone. The next tool is the Layer tool. When you make a new element, it goes on the first layer. Every element you make after that goes on top of it. So you can see I made the green square first, and the turquoise arrow was made second because it's on the top. If I want to change the layer, I touch the Layer button and I see this little menu. If I tap Bring to Front, it'll bring the green square in front of the turquoise arrow, like this. The next tool is the Zoom tool. When you touch it, you can use two fingers to zoom in and out of the slide. One finger to move it around, two fingers to zoom. At the bottom center is the recording area. You can use these recording tools, and you can record sound onto each slide. It will tell you here how long you've recorded on each slide. The tools at the bottom right are the export tools. The first one is to export individual slides. You can export them as images or as PDFs to various locations. With the next tool, you can export the whole project either as a project to look at in Explain Everything or as a movie, as an MOV file. If you export your project as a movie, you can choose the resolution and quality. 1024 by 768 is native iPad resolution, so that's the best file. And high is for good quality recording, but those will give you very large file sizes. The second to the last tool right here is how you save your project. Just tap Save and it will save as an Explain Everything file. Then you can tap the Home button and that will take you back to your home page. Back on the home page, you'll see a thumbnail of your new project here. It's about 6 minutes long, and from here I can save it or I can export it. And that's it. That's Explain Everything.